Hi, this is Lane Coleman, and today I'm going to show you the DT integration inside of Costar. First of all, the DT integration can be found in two places inside the application. It can be found in the order entry menu under DT Tire. If I click that, it will launch into the integration directly, and you'll be presented with the DT Tire integration window. The other location that it's can be found is within a Costar repair order. And if I go into the repair order, inside of the repair order menu here, and onto a given document, I can drill down under the integrations column and I can find the DT Tire integration. I can launch it from here. And now once I'm inside of the DT Tire integration, you'll see right at the top of the screen, I can go ahead and search by tire size, the DT Tire item SKU, the tire brand, or the tire model, or any combination of those fields together. So in this case, I'll do a 225/65/17. Just press the search button, and up will come all of the search results from the integration. And you'll see I can scroll down, and all of the products will be displayed accordingly. Now what we've done with the overall design of the DT Tire integration is we've built it to reflect DT Tire's website. So you'll notice that there's quite a bit of similarity between the way that this screen looks and feels and the actual DT Direct website. That's on purpose, just so we have a consistent look and feel. And you'll see that we've emulated a lot of the same features and functionality inside of our search results here. When I drill down when I click on any given column, it will open up the specifications for that particular tire and display those to you as well. You'll notice that we use the same icons as they do in their website. So for example, on this tire I've got all weather, on this tire I've got all season. If I had performed the search with the winter approved flag turned on, and reperform that search, I'm going to see just the all-weather and the winter availability in those tires. Now you'll also notice on most of the search results here, we're going to see multiple things under the availability here. The local availability displayed in green here indicates the availability that's available at DT's local warehouse. At their other warehouses, it will show you the additional availability that they have. And lastly, we display what's inside of Costar's inventory. So this would be at the shop level, this will be the shop's inventory. So if they have some in stock already, it's going to display that to them. Okay. Again, click anywhere on the line and you'll get those additional specifications. Enter your quantity that you want to order and press the Get ETA button, and it will bring back the availability saying yes, you can have 4 and they'll be available by 5 p.m. and if there's any freight or anything that is going to be charged for the delivery. If I click Return to Document, it will bring that back to the Costar repair order. It will set up the item as you would expect it to, and it will provide you the cost on the document. I click Add Item, and that tire will then come down onto today's document. It will also bring down the estimated delivery date and time, and from the warehouse that it's going to come. So I'll just ignore that. That's just my spell check that's coming up there. So let's take those back off the repair order document, and let's just go back in to check out some additional features inside of the DT Tire integration. So let's go into DT Tire here. Again, launch the integration. And now you'll also notice up on the main toolbar at the top here, not only can I enter my search criteria, but I could leverage the tire guide to get the fitment data for the vehicle that I'm searching for. So in this case, I'm going to put on a 2022 Ford Bronco Sport. I'm going to say it's a Badlands edition, and I'm going to select the 225/65/17 and hit search. So that's just going to give me my fitment data by vehicle once I punched into the integration, and then the search results will be presented. You can see that you're provided your cost, your discount, your margin, your MSRP, and your suggested selling price right on every search results box in the window. You can hide that detail by simply clicking this little eye icon at the top, and it will just reduce it down to show you your MSRP and suggested retail, removing the visibility to your cost and those other details. As well, if you wanted to filter your search results, you can click the Filters tab over at the top, and then you can filter by all season, all weather, summer, winter, or run flat. So if I tick the particular filter I want and click apply, it will narrow the search results down according to that filter. Okay, so let's turn that back off and reapply it. Now I get all the search results again. I can also sort by. I can sort by availability and ascending price or descending price, price low to high, etc. So when I select that and click apply, it will refilter it based on the cost of the item. Okay, so that way you can narrow things down and get the specific or the lowest price product easily at the top of the search results. You'll also notice that some of these products are flagged as discontinued. So they're circled in a box specifically indicating that that tire has now been discontinued. If there's availability still, it'll still show that availability like it does right here. But if there is no availability, it will probably say call to order. Okay, so anytime there's a product that doesn't have availability, it'll simply say call to order instead of displaying all of those availability for each warehouse. The other thing that we can do here is, and it doesn't display on the website because of my data, but if I bring this screen up, you'll also see that we indicate with a red box around the outside whether a product is on sale. So if something is on sale, it'll again be circled in red. It will indicate on sale, and it will give the sale price. I just couldn't bring that up in my search results because my data doesn't support it. Okay, so I just show you a little screen capture of that at that time. So again, as you go through whatever products you want to bring down to the Costar repair order, you simply put the quantity that you want, hit Get ETA, and it will come up with that particular information, and I can return it back to my repair order and put it on the Costar document. Okay, so I'll click Add Item here. Now, once we've brought a tire down onto the Costar document, the check stock button will start to flash, indicating that it's required for us to order it. So when I'm ready to order, I simply hit the check stock button at the bottom. In my example here, I'm going to uncheck the valve stem. We can just ignore that. And now I'll hit the Create POs button in Costar. A purchase order will be created automatically for this order, and then I click Send. One other thing I should note is that you'll see this box over here where it says Delivery Method. The normal delivery method is it's going to be shipped to the store. If I flag it for pickup at the warehouse, I will change that, and then I will send the order. Okay. By default, it's going to have normal delivery, which is going to be shipped to the shop. If the shop is intending to pick it up from the warehouse, they can flag it here as pickup and then send the order through to DT. In Costar, you'll get your confirmation back, and you never have to leave the Costar repair order to order tires from DT Tire. It can be all done inside of a repair order. Those are the basics of what we do for the DT Tire integration. I hope this video has been helpful in terms of explaining a little bit more about the integration and making it a little bit more easy for you to use. Thanks very much. Have a great day.